we have a 2015 Hyundai Genesis, 31,000 miles, clean auto check, comes with a balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. First thing you'll notice, it does have a nice brushed aluminum grille and the Genesis badging on the front. Has the LED headlights. And I'll show you the tires and wheels. They are an 18-inch alloy rim. Have Michelin rubber on there, around 3/4 tread on the tires. Does have the integrated signals in your mirrors. And you do have heated driver and passenger side mirrors with blind spot detection. If you look at the interior, it is black on black, heated leather seating, black carpeting. Does have a nice wood grain trim with the brushed aluminum. It does have the full glass panoramic roof with your shark fin on the back. That's your satellite radio antenna. Rear seating, leather too, of course. Got the bench style seat. Does have the vents back there for your heating and air conditioning in the rear. Another nice thing it does have, it has the power vents that can go up and down on the back glasses and along with the rear deck glass sunscreens. And your rear tires, about the same as the front, around 3/4 tread. And around the back, you'll notice it does have a nice brushed aluminum exhaust tips, and it does have the badging again, of course. If you look at the trunk, a rather large trunk. And if you lift the carpeted matting up, underneath there you have your spare tire, all your jack and your utensils for if you would happen to have a flat, and of course your batteries located back here in the trunk, too, vented battery. And tires and wheels on this side. These wheels all look real good. There's no curb rash or anything on those. Up inside and give you a closer look. You'll notice on the door you have two-way memory seating. You have your power locks, windows, and mirrors. And just inside the car, you have your interior lighting. You have your button for your rear screen shade. You have your fuel button. You have your trunk release, traction control, and blind spot monitor. And your dial on the left side of your steering column, you have your headlight controls. And the right side, you have your signals. And on your steering wheel, to the left, you have your audio controls, voice recognition, your telephone settings. And on the right, you have your cruise control and your display information for your odometer area. And it does have push button start. Light the dash up a little bit. Let you have a look at that. And I will show you the mileage. The current mileage is 31,759 miles. And you come over here to your audio display screen. You have your navigation. You can sync your Bluetooth, your phones, iPods, all your accessories right through that. And come down below there, you do have a nice built-in analog clock. You have your air conditioning, heating controls, all your climate controls. Below that you have your CD input slot and your XM stereo settings and all your navigation CD settings. Down below that you have a cubby hole here that when you close it, you open it back up, you have a USB port inside that. You have an auxiliary port and two 12-volt power sources. And your transmission gear shift selector. Heated and air conditioned passenger and driver side seats. Heated steering wheel. And your center console flips open. Has some neat blue ambient lighting inside there. And it does have nice touches of wood grain trim throughout. And I'll show you the roof. Again, it does have the panoramic roof, all glass roof. And there's the settings for your window mirrors and sunroof. And there's another thing in the back. I'll show you that I should have when I had the back door, but I didn't. If you fold your center armrest down back there, you have your screen shade switch, and you have your buttons for your rear heated seats. And you have dual cup holders back there. We're going to go ahead and fire the engine up, give you a look out under the hood. And you see the engine bay is nice and clean and nice and tastefully laid out under there. We have nice trim pieces to cover up all the accessories and everything. As for engine, we got a 3.8 liter V6 dual overhead cam. That'll get you around 25 miles per gallon highway around 16 city. And that engine does push a little bit over 300 horsepower, which is pretty impressive. You look at the lighting there when the lights on. Last thing we're going to do on the video is I'm going to walk you around and show you any blemishes that are on the car. This is a real good looking luxury sedan. It's Hyundai's premier car. If you get behind the wheel of this thing and take it a drive, I promise you it does not feel like a Hyundai. It feels more like a very high dollar, maybe a Mercedes-Benz or somewhere along those lines. It is a very classy, tasteful car. It does have some chips and a couple scratches here on the back bumper that have been touched up, which is pretty common from loading and unloading things from the trunk. There's a scratch about 1 inch long on the rear quarter panel driver's side. And there's a small chip out of the driver's side mirror casing. There's a little ding here right on the front of the hood. Little stone ding. And the one other thing I wanted to show you is the passenger side mirror casing also does have a crack here at the bottom of it. I'm guessing somebody probably kept this garaged and the mirrors just didn't quite clear. They thought they were clear and they probably weren't. Other than those few things though, like I say, this is a very, very nice car. I think if you come out and take it a test drive, you'll probably really be impressed. If you'd be interested in coming out and taking a look, our number here is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.